Konnichiwa and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing an Akibento. I spot something really awesome. So today's theme is universe. Let's have a look at the t-shirt. Oh, wow. As it's a firm favourite of when I was growing up, we have a Dragon Ball Z plushie. We've got a Dragon Ball Z, we've got Trunks.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
His little belly. Little belly exposed. Next up we've got a ramen. We have a ramen noodle cup. Noodle soup. So these are the Naruto ramen noodles. Next up we've got some Evangelion playing cards. Oh my god! What are they? No? Yeah, playing cards. This is a really cool anime to watch if you ever get a chance to sit down and have a look. Ooh. I won't take all of them out, but we'll have a quick look at some of them. Oh.
So cute.
We've got the Akibento monthly pin, the Universe edition.
He's so cute.
In the box we've also got a Black Rock mouse pad. It's a bit small for what I like, but the last thing we've got in the box is got a sticker, got Black Rock shooter, this month's Akibento guide. So in this month's box we've got the t-shirt, the mouse pad, the cards, the pin, we've got a little Trunks plushie. We've got Naruto ramen noodles, which are actually really nice. We've got a Black Rock shooter. So that's it for today's box. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you click the link below, you can order your very own. And we'll see you in the next video. Sayonara!